maybe I stopped it. Knowing me.
Shit, they'll go run on out now.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you use a little lumber mill now, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna buy one for these size here. $149 for my chainsaw.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow, that'll be pretty cool.
Yeah, I'll cut up to 17 inches wide.
How long? 17 inches long?
Yeah.
Or wide?
Wide.
Oh, wide. Wow.
Yeah.
That should be pretty good.
I gotta get a different rip chain for the saw though.
Uh-huh. Yeah. All right. That sounds pretty good. So if you want to buy these tapes somewhere, when you do the chainsaw or the sawing of them, where can they buy these, Charlie? Can they look at www.fortandhalem.net? Oh wait, it's fortandhalem.com, isn't it? Yeah, fortandhalem.com. They can buy the video of this. Or the next edition.